You've been a bad, bad dog. What did you do with mommy's laundry? Huh? You're going to tie me. You're going to tie me. Shh, hey, don't talk back to me. Yeah, good girl. You love that Downy and the warm clothes. And it's not true. You didn't make that mess. That was me. Shh. Oh, yeah? No way. What happened? Shh, you're going to wake up everyone. You're going to wake up everyone. This one hand. Ow. Where'd my hand go? Where's Brownie? Where did Brownie go? Where'd you go? What are you looking for? I got my hand back. Bless you. Hush. Ow.